Hi guys, I'm CA Geetika Bajaj, a QuickBooks Pro Advisor, and today I'm going to teach you how to try QuickBooks online for free. Now, this can be done via two ways. First is you can check out the sample company, and second is use QuickBooks Online for 30 days for absolutely free. So let's first explore the first option, the sample company one. Just go to the Chrome browser and type QBO Online test drive. Currently I'm doing off USA, so we can tell the country, and just click on the icon that appears first here, and you can select this one. This is the plus version. If you want to go and try the advanced version, click on the link below. Now you just have to prove that you're not a robot here. Funny times we live in. We have to prove the computer that we are not a robot. Once we are done with this, you have the access to the company. You can see the reports, and they have pre-filled the data here. You can create the invoices as well here, try your hands on. And this is essentially very useful when you're migrating from some another company and you just want to see how QuickBooks feels like, right? Now, 2 points that have to be noted here is first, that you can't connect your actual bank here for obvious reasons. And second is that once you log out of it and you log back in, nothing will be saved. So when you log back in after logging out, you have to start everything afresh. And this was the first way. Now let's move on to the second way. So for that, what you have to do is just write QBO trial free, and just click here, start 30-day trial, and just enter email, mobile number, create a password, and it's done. You don't even have to enter any credit card or payment details. Just use QuickBooks Online for 30 days for free and then get to know whether it's a good fit for you. So I hope you liked the video, and do let me know how do you find it in the comment section below, and yes, don't forget to subscribe.